laws of chemical combinations. Before, Dalton's concept of atom was merely philosophical. Dalton explained about atom on the basis of laws of chemical combinations. There are 3 laws of chemical combination. 1. Law of conservation of mass. 2. Law of constant proportions. 3. Law of multiple proportions. In this module, we will discuss about only law of conservation of mass. Antoine L. Lavoisier, a French scientist, found the theory of law of conservation of mass. The law of conservation of mass states that mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. Is there a change in mass when a chemical reaction takes place? Now let's find out the answer by the help of an activity. Take one set in which sodium chloride under X and lead nitrate in Y. Prepare a 5% solution of lead nitrate separately in water and list under Y. Take a little amount of solution of sodium chloride in a conical flask and some solution of lead nitrate in an ignition tube and hang it in the flask carefully, and solutions don't mix with each other. Put a cork on the flask and weight the flask with its contents carefully and observe the total weight is 75.8 gram. Now both the solutions mixed by tilt and swirl the flask. After mixing both the solutions, we observe that the weight of flask is same. Do you think that a chemical reaction has taken place? Yes, a chemical reaction takes place inside the flask. Why should we put a cork on the mouth of the flask? We should put a cork on the mouth of the flask because it provides isolated system remain constant over time. This means when mass is enclosed in a system and none is allowed in or out, its quantity will never change. We can say that total mass of products is always equal to the total mass of reactants. As there is no loss of mass of substances, that is, mass is conserved, that's why Lavoisier called this the law of conservation of mass.